Welcome back to the channel. We are headed up north to Lake Ray Roberts. Got the truck packed up, 2 kayaks in the back. You should see the Buc-ee's we just passed. Good Lord. Oh, everybody's getting their yum-yums. But yeah, we're headed up to the state park. We're gonna do some fishing, camping, and have some fun. So you guys stay tuned. We'll see y'all back at the campsite.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life.
Alright guys, we are here. We have made it. Lake Ray Roberts, Johnson, Baranch State Park.
Keep it 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. Trying to save your time. In case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. Cause up there it's complicated and overrated. Down here everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need. But there is breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. All my friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cool night. Yeah, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life. Tired of feeling like a small fish in a big
Get you on that one. You hit that
I
hole.
think I'll go back where I came from,
There you go.
where everybody knew my name, and all my friends are still the same. I guess the slow
Yeah, you are.
like a bonfire
Oh, no.
on a cold night. Hell, you can keep your 9 to 5, cause I'm happy with the simple life.
This is Worm TV coming to you from Lake Ray Roberts. We have possibly high winds and thunderstorms coming this evening.
We got coffee percolate. That's right. Look at that. Got coffee.
Some eggs, chorizo, onions, mushrooms, got some fajita meat to the side. It's breakfast. It's breakfast time. Bass, they jumped over here. Did you see that? Alright.